Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing how to use one simple and easy way to wrap gemstones of any size with or without holes. To begin, choose where you would like the top of the pendant and the bottom of the pendant to be. This stone that I'll be using is a clear quartz. So I'm going to place this piece of string around the stone like this. Then I use my finger to mark the other end. You can use a marker if you would like to do so. From the end, I use my fingers to mark. I will add an extra 5 inches to the length, and this will give me more wire to work with when I make the bail. It is better to have more wire to work with than having to start over if you don't have enough wire. Next, I place the entire length of cord on a ruler, and this is the length I'm going to use to cut the wire, the length of wire that is required to wrap this stone. So the length is 9.5 inches, and I will be using 3 pieces to wrap this stone. Next, I'm going to place the wires together, and I'm going to ensure that they are laying flat. Then I use a 0.5 mil wire to wrap in the middle a few times to secure the wires and to prevent them from moving. And as I go along, I use a chain nose plier to keep the wraps close together and to press them down to prevent the wires from moving and also to keep them flat. To wrap the stone, I place the wires at the bottom, then ensure that the sides are pointing up. Afterward, I grip the top of the wire firmly, and then I gently separate each wire to make a cage to secure the stone. And once I've done that, I use the chain nose plier to bend the wires at the top, and this is where the bail is going to be. Next, I'm going to work on the bail, and I grip both the stone and the wires together. Then I use the 0.5 mil wire to wrap as tight as I possibly can around the wires at the top, and I'm going to wrap until I get to about 1.25 inches. Next, I'm going to use my hands to shape the bail, and if it is more comfortable for you to use something round like a pencil or so, you can go ahead and use that. Afterward, I trim and tuck the end of the wires to secure the bail. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.